back to JH Diesel. So guys, we just made it here to the barn in Sanford, Florida, and we are ready to break in our new top end on the truck.
It's ready.
Dude,
As ready
we're
as it's
loaded
gonna
down
be.
over here. We got Mikey's truck on one trailer. We got my truck behind the tree. Mikey didn't want to be on video. He's walking away. So
It's too good for us.
yep. See you later, dude. So anyways, right here at the barn. Boy Randall got this place all set up last night. The fences are up. I'm pretty sure they're gonna lock the barricades in. They normally do. But for the most part, the pad's all laid out. And guys, pretty sure some of my tires left from the last time a 6.0 was here. There's holes in this concrete. There's been some weight and some tugs done on here. So, first round, got a couple guys. Of course, they want to go after me. So we got Brian Robinson. He's wanting to pull. I got Josh Rosser with the Bush Latte truck wanting to pull. Now I got a gas truck. All the gas guys are calling me out. So, you know what? Might as well send it. Let's go, guys. We'll check this thing out. So we got a couple guys gonna do that. We'll see how we pull against them. I got a $1 bet on both pulls. So a lot of money on the line for me. So top of that, second round, I think we're just gonna send it and let her eat. We're probably gonna get some bad weather today. It's probably gonna be raining here shortly. Not ideal, but everybody's gonna be on equal surface. Rain is a good thing. It's gonna make it a little bit fun. So
Hey, they don't know what's coming. They don't know what's under the hood of that baby.
they don't understand that Mr. Sam and Justin have been working on this rig all week. When it's got Mr. Sam's hands on it,
You know it's
we ain't
right.
losing. So let's go get this thing unloaded. We'll start getting everything ready. Again, guys, the barn in Sanford is where it's at. It's gonna be a good night tonight. We're ready to do some truck pulls.
Saturday.
Sunday. You buy the whole seat, but you're only gonna need the edge.
Well, we should have something now. Hopefully we got all the little issues fixed and this thing will make a good pull tonight. And I can get back to the shop next week and pull the intake off, reset the intake. That was a big mistake on my part. Rookie mistake.
Let's go down here and talk to the guy that's been calling us out all week with his piece of crap. Oh, dude, this guy, I know this guy's not for real. Like, he thinks, that's what he brought. This is what he said is gonna drag me. What do you got in this thing? Small block?
Yeah.
Figured small block.
Vortec 4.3, 4L60E.
I've seen it run, I know. It's not very powerful, I know that. Did the flags on the back help with more power, or is that just kind of a...
It's when I'm pulling you backwards, they ruffle
Yeah,
a
I
little
just don't
bit,
think it's
makes it
gonna
look
happen. You got your $1?
cool. I thought it was $5.
I mean, hey, you want to up the ante? I mean, I got $5.
You were here to party.
I got $5 in the truck. I mean,
Do $5.
you know, we know now. Are you gonna? You said you don't want to pull me first round,
No.
but normally you don't make it to the second round. Your truck breaks. So how are we gonna sort this out? If
You
your
talk
truck
a lot of shit
breaks,
for someone that just showed up
if
at
your
a
truck-
event, you haven't been here in 3 years.
if
so.
your truck breaks, do I just get the $5? I mean,
If
is
you
that
go to a
just?
class again to refresh how to actually tug, you've been out of the game for what, like 3-4 years now?
I've been tugging pretty consistently the past few weeks.
Hey, your
so
sex life is none of this business. We're talking about
not,
trucks.
It's not anybody's business. I wasn't talking about that, you pervert. So, really, this is just, honestly, this is laughable. I'm not even, I don't even take this for real right now. Half bald, 18.4, 22s.
It's all about the grip.
Just, yeah.
Ready to get drugged?
I don't know who's gonna do that, not this thing. Heck. Guy drinks a lot of Bush from what I heard, because
I don't drink any.
dude, so he called me out. We have, are we a $5 or $1 bet?
We're a loser by shots.
Same bet as the last guy, loser by shots, and a $5 bet on the last guy. So I'm about to be collecting tonight. I got 20 shots coming my way.
Man,
I got
thirsty.
$10, 20 shots. This guy only drinks Bush. We ain't got to worry about him. Dude, what size tires you got on this rig?
28Ls.
28L tire, dude. That's kind of massive compared to mine. Big wide wheels. I can literally fit in this wheel. Ow, I can't, but I almost did. But what engine you got?
385 small block.
Ooh, small block. I thought you had a big block, dude. This guy's done, dude. Ain't no way. First pull of the night is gonna be against him. So, well, how do you feel? What do you think?
You're going backwards, buddy. I'm awful thirsty.
We'll see about that. Hell yeah. Good luck, man. See you out there. It's gonna be fun.
What do you think? Any last minute thoughts on this?
Yeah, last minute thoughts. Someone drag his ass. The least of my worries. It's built truck though. It's solid. 28L. This thing's huge. It's actually a lot taller than my truck. I didn't realize that. What a rig, dude. Old James would be in love with this thing. Busch Latte. All right, so we pulled against the Busch Latte truck. I really don't know who won that one. What do you think? I
think it was a pretty even pull.
I got out there and then we started playing. We were having fun. I was like, nah, you know, and then, so I don't really know who won, but you know what? I'll buy them some drinks, make them happy. And I had a great time. The truck, I mean, honestly, the truck ran great. It doesn't pull second hard. We got to maybe put a lower gear in it for pulling. I might be able to get my hands on a 4.7-to-1. It's got a 4-to-1 in it now. I think we put a 4.7-to-1 in it. We'll be able to maybe get it burning through second. If not, no big deal. We'll run her in first again and let her eat.
Sounds good on the tip.
Sounds really good. The truck sounds really good. It's running really good. I'm super happy with it. No complaints there at all. So I am happy. The truck's running great. 180 or 190 degrees is all we got to. So pretty awesome on that. And now we get to pull this joke of a. I mean, this truck.
I'm ready. He's all warmed up, ready to rip.
It's good to see it made it in the first round.
You think that his truck's just gonna scatter to pieces, or what do you think's gonna happen?
I think you're just gonna completely rip it in half.
I got another. You think I can rip his truck in half?
I think it's gonna rip it right now.
I thought so too. I was just making sure.
What do you think, Brian?
Brian, what do you think about me ripping your truck in half?
If you ripped it in half, it'd be the most expensive part about your truck.
I would just take the half with me, just so you know. I'm not giving it back. When I rip your truck in half, I'm taking it with me. So. All right, so now we're pulling Brian with the adrenaline truck. Big power, fully locked front and rear. See what happens.
Once again, I want to thank everybody, all the drivers in the staff paying attention to the next movement. J.H. Diesel and Brian for the next night.
it killing it or adrenaline? What's your...
I think it's I have so much adrenaline, I'm killing it.
Yes.
Right.
Or I'm killing it because I have so much adrenaline.
Taking this $5, and I have to give it to him because I let him pull me backwards.
Oh, that's what happened.
And, you know, I felt bad for the guy. He's got a fresh truck out there. He's trying to get his name out there. So, Adrenaline Mega Truck, $5. Going, hang on, all right, yep, there you go. It's your $5, bud.
There, you gotta hold it. Showing how much shot.
You gotta be me. And now, because of this, Zach agreed to do 10 pickleback shots on me tonight. That's the bet.
Doing 10 pickleback.
Hey,
No, I heard it. Everybody heard it.
Who wants Zach to do 10 picklebacks? Let's hear it.
Killing it! Super killing it! Let's go! But he is buying us 10 picklebacks.
No, he's buying you 10 picklebacks.
I will die.
You. Hey, you shouldn't make bets you can't hold up to.
First night having the truck out went really good. She's a ripper. I'm very impressed. We got to do a little bit of changes on the gear ratio, I think, but we have another set of tires for it. So hopefully when we put the smaller tires on it, I think it'll actually really rip those smaller tires. They're about 4 or 5 inches, 6 inches shorter and a lot lighter. So I think once we put those in, we grabbed that second pull, but when he drug me back, the truck kind of jerked and kind of bogged it down. But I think once we get her dialed, which is Buddy, hey guys, Buddy's roofing here. Tugger of the year. We don't know.
This guy's my hero.
No, you're my hero. You're Tugger of the year 2022, guys. Carlos is not Tugger of the year. This is Buddy's roofing right here.
Carlos
He
is number one.
Anyways, guys, we got Tugger of the year. Buddy's roofing here. You guys seen this truck out there ripping. He's got a driver. He hires a driver, lets him drive it for him.
Number one.
That's
Carlos.
That's it. Buddy and Carlos, number one, 2022 Tugger of the year. Guys, we're going to end that. That's our outro. You guys have a good evening or day whenever we post this, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. A lot of burnouts, a lot of broken stuff. Had a great time. Truck ran great. See y'all next time.